So, hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me just say I'm very, very sorry about my voice. I have a hoarse throat or sore throat or whatever you want to call it. I have a cold, but these videos have to get out. So, let's get into it. What you're seeing here, these pictures and these videos are just us driving from Portmore all the way to Westmoreland to my place at Jamaica to visit my
New York. Things don't feel like New York.
I was taking my land Jamaica,
Get my money, bitch.
enjoying all the natural resources and breeze. When I looked up, there was nothing for me to partake of. I was already made entrance, you see. I was craving from the natural resources. Not even sugar cane I used to see, I could see. Took it and did not leave one petal of roses. My livelihood, you notice they stole that from me. Alright, so baby, what we done now?
We're at the border between St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland.
Kai just wake up, Kai sleep every which part we go.
Everywhere.
We got them took a picture, you know. This is the border between St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. She said, whole heap of food place out here. Like all them place there. All this stuff come all the way around. I never really buy no food this time. Maybe when we come back, right? You can come.
She We had organic chicken that was raised in Jamaica, raised by my grand aunt, killed and cooked. We had fricasse's chicken, and she did her famous boom sauce. And quite honestly, I didn't take a lot of pictures with her. I didn't take a lot of pictures with my family because I just wanted to enjoy my moment. But we're gonna be back in Jamaica soon, so I'll insert more pictures and footage of her because she's a trip and she's very funny, and you guys will have a field day with her. And if you guys didn't know my real name, here you see a childhood picture of me that my grand aunt have in her house. And then the next clip you're seeing is us under a net getting ready for bed at my grand aunt's house. We actually stayed the night and we enjoyed ourselves a lot, and that's why we actually stayed the night. Now we're gonna go into driving footage, and this is from like Little London to Negril, and this is how those area look, and you can see me talking and hear me talking in the background also.
Try. the rich. Don't follow the directions of separation. There's only one race. And if you keep that in mind, it's only called the human race. Everybody just come in different shades. It's a pity they didn't teach some of us our history. Black man is the original man. Comes straight out of Africa. One country, one culture, one Africa. Then you hear everybody disseminate. Take the history, not me making that up. We designed the traffic light, the blood transfusion and everything that's right. Talk about mathematics, sciences. We don't just play basketball and kick football. We do whole heap of other things. So know your history, know your roots. Big musicianship is one of the most difficult things. People don't realize how high level mathematics that them are play with side. Everything is designed around the mathematical history. So give love and give peace and give thought, but don't give too much peace that you get too rot, you know what I'm saying? The black man has his rape and his soul has been stripped. Need a lot of people to look up to. Don't follow the politician then, because them only here for themselves. All of them law illegal. So we just want you to sing the song with you as we leave you. Because this involves everybody. So say, Mandingo try. Mandingo try. Let me see your hands up in the air. Come on, makes everybody alive. Yeah. Greetings. How we feel? Irie. This is where Irie come in. Not good. How we feel? Can't hear you. You have to come louder so we can hear. Irie. Yeah. Not good. Not just good. Irie. Not just good. All right? Irie. That's so nice. Sing it again. Irie. Yeah. Irie. No more you say. Mandingo try. Only go on like when you couldn't sing so. Yeah, like that. Mandingo try. Keep up your hand. Yeah. Irie. Mandingo try. You feel good? You feel good? Say yes.
Here you can see some pictures and video footage of me and Kai Kai in Negril Beach. Okay, it was an amazing time. We actually stopped, took the time out to swim. And if you guys don't know anything about me, you should know that I love the beach. I've loved the beach since I was a child, and my mom used to say when you get older you're gonna grow out of it. I haven't grown out of it since. I've still loved the beach. So we stopped in Negril to actually go in the beach, relax a little bit before we left Westmoreland.
Caught up in life's freeway, shooting guns, killing each other. Forgive them, Jah, for they've gone astray, leaving their mother with their naked fire. What? Nightmare. 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 Let me hear you say nightmare.
Nightmare.
Nightmare. Nightmare, yeah, one. Nightmare.
Nightmare. Nightmare.
When you go to bed at night, you wake up in the morning still hearing the news. One man gets shot, this one get hot. Lord, in this culture, I just can't refuse. Spend some time and give some names to the people that you see passing by. Because today it might be for you, but tomorrow it could be who? It could be for me. Nightmare. Let me hear you.
Nightmare. Nightmare. Nightmare.
Yeah.
Nightmare.
Too much nightmare business.
Nightmare. 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 Nightmare.
The Negril taxi park there.
Nightmare.
And that's where you get all the bus
Nightmare.
from here to Montego Bay.
Nightmare.
You feel the groove? You feel the
Nightmare.
groove? Who that drink over there, so you feel the
Nightmare.
groove?
Nightmare.
When you go to bed at night, you wake up in the morning still hearing the news. There are questions that need some answers. Struggle that you can't refuse. Spend some time, give some advice. Cause if you don't, we will pay the price. Today is the start of tomorrow. Living in this world of sorrow, the life you take could be mine. Oh yes, nightmare out in the street now. Nightmare, we can't get no sleep now. Nightmare out in the streets now.
The juicy potty there. Still there, the same place. That's so funny. Taste is bakery there. Still there, the same place. That's hella funny.
Nightmare.
Yes.
Nightmare. Nightmare.
Yep.
Nightmare.
Yeah.
Nightmare.
The man there good.
Nightmare.
He never look like he does stop.
Nightmare.
Me a driver, me a big gauge if you must stop by now.
Yeah, man.
Nightmare is nothing outside here in our lives but nightmare. I want to straighten that up. I want everybody to say no more nightmare. Can't hear you. No more nightmare. Because I can't sleep at night time. Because it's pure nightmare business. So no more nightmare. Each one just tell another one so the word can spread the word. You know, no more nightmare business.
Babe, one time when I pinch my run gun, you know?
Spring like
Pinch me just now, yo.
Spring like.
Slow down.
Gangster, with my pacifier. Yeah, turn on for you.
Slow down. Ease your stride. Slow down. Please slow down. Make our love you now. Slow
Hi,
down.
Kai.
Slow down. I know what you're
Hi. Hey, Papa.
Top of the water in wrong.
Come on, say water.
Huh?
Let's reminisce this feeling, the one we share in the moon.
And then the next footage you're going to see is just off a little bit. This is where them call up the beach, where all the hotels are located. That's what Westmoreland people call it, up the beach. So you're gonna see all the hotels and stuff if you've never seen it, and I slow down the footage so you guys can see it better.
Slow down, slow down. I'm going your way. Slow down, slow down, slow down. I've got a lot to say. Slow down, slow down. I know what you're moving in every way. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Reduce your stride. Slow down, please slow down. Slow down. Make our love you now. Slow down. Slow down. I know what you're moving in every way. Top of the water in broad day. Come on over, make your love light shine. Baby, someday to be mine. Let's reminisce this feeling, the one we share in the moonlight. I'd like to caress all that you're moving, this loving, this grooving. Slow down. I know what you're moving in every way. Top of the water in broad day. Come on over, make your love light shine. I want you, baby, someday to be mine. Ooh.
Bryn's reaching our place, so she gonna take picture for showing us that she was here.
So where?
Head north on A2.
So we let there the water. I did the yam cane. So we did the border between St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. This is where you can get great food to eat, and baby's in that store right there getting some food because we're hungry. And we're on our way back home to Portmore. We spent the night with my family at Westmoreland. So yeah, before somebody say, oh, we took this video from off of YouTube. So we're in Bluefields. If you haven't been to Bluefields before, it's still considered Westmoreland. So yeah, Bluefields have really nice beaches also. Bluefields and White House. Yeah, and it's not privatized. Is the baby gone?
Don't need no money to come here to enjoy yourself. None. When you pull up yourself, you just sit down yourself all day, so be the case. Alright, ready for jump on the road?
Yep.
Hey, tata.
Bye guys.
I'm not gonna use my British accent right now. Oh. Go to someone. Now I'm glad road if you go. Oh, it was videoing.
So this was when we were actually leaving. I got to take pictures with the Westmoreland sign and stuff, and hubby got us some fish and bami, and let me tell you that fish and bami was the best fish and bami we've ever eaten, ever. And then we went back on the road. We went through Bluefields and then the White House, and we went through Holland Bamboo, stopped and took some pictures, and we were on our way back to Portmore. So that is my little trip from Portmore to Westmoreland. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces and